Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. So continuing our problem solving series in sequences and series, here I came up with the 54th question written on the screen. And what is the problem statement of question given to us? If 1 plus 3 plus 5 goes on up to A plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 goes on up to B is equal to 1 plus 3 plus 5 goes on up to C, where each set of parentheses contains sum of consecutive odd integers as shown such that A plus B plus C is equal to 21 and A is greater than 6. G is maximum of A comma B comma C and L is minimum of A comma B comma C. Then they are asking relationship between GL and G and L and relationship between A and B. So to solve such type of question, I would be making use of nth term of arithmetic progression. For the three arithmetic progressions written over here, let us suppose A is the nth term of that arithmetic progression with common difference 2 written over here, and A is equal to 1 we are knowing. So an formula we are knowing. A is the value of A n we are knowing. First term A1 we may write it. A1 is equal to 1 we are knowing. That is A plus n minus 1 times of D it will be. Let us suppose n1 terms are there. Minus 1 times of 2 it will be. That means A minus 1. Let's simplify it. A is equal to 1 plus 2n1 minus 2 it will be. That means A is equal to 2n1 minus 1 it will be. That means A plus 1 by 2 is equal to n1 it will be. A plus 1 by 2 is equal to n1 it will be. Similarly, we will be going to get the value of n2, that is number of terms in second arithmetic sequence, as b plus 1 by 2. And similarly, we will be going to get the value of n3 as the number of terms in third arithmetic sequence, that will be c plus 1 by 2. Now guys, we do know the formula n by 2 times of A plus L. That means what? n1 by 2 times of A is 1 we are knowing, L as A we are knowing, plus n2 by 2 times of A is 1 we are knowing, L as B we are knowing, is equal to n3 by 2 times of A is 1 we are knowing, L is C we are knowing. So it will be becoming what? A plus 1 by 2 multiplied by A plus 1 whole divided by 2 over here. Then this will be what? B plus 1 by 2 multiplied by B plus 1 divided by 2 over here. Then this will be what? C plus 1 by 2 whole divided by 2 multiplied by C plus 1 over here. So the final value of this thing will be becoming A plus 1 the whole square plus B plus 1 the whole square is equal to C plus 1 the whole square, because denominator we will have 4 every time, that will be going to get cancelled throughout. So guys, I can see that A plus 1, B plus 1 and C plus 1 are in Pythagorean triplet. They are in Pythagorean triplet. So you might be remembering 3 numbers in Pythagorean triplet can be assumed by me as m square minus 1, 2m and m square plus 1. That will be the value of what? A plus 1, B plus 1 and C plus 1. Hope you guys would have got my point. So the value of A over here, it will be becoming what? M square minus 2. The value of B over here, it will be becoming what? 2m minus 1. And the value of C over here, it will be becoming what? M square. And we do have one equation, A plus B plus C is equal to 21. That was given to us in the question. A plus B plus C is equal to 21 is given to us. So we'll be going to make use of this equation to get the value of m over here. So it will be becoming m square minus 2 plus 2m minus 1 plus m square is equal to 21 it will be becoming. That is 2m square plus 2m minus 3 is equal to 21 it will be becoming, or 2m square plus 2m minus 24 is equal to 0 it will be becoming, or m square plus m minus 12 is equal to 0 it will be becoming, or m square plus 4m minus 3m minus 12 is equal to 0 it will be becoming, or m times of m plus 4 minus 3 times of m plus 4 is equal to 0 it will be becoming, or m plus 4 multiplied by m minus 3 is equal to 0 it will be becoming, or m is equal to minus 4 times of 3 it will be becoming. Minus 4 or 3 it will be becoming. Now my dear students, I want the value of ABC. So A cannot be minus 4. If A will become minus 4, this B will become negative. So A cannot be minus 4, A will become 3. As soon as A will become 3, we will get the value of A as 7 over here, the value of B as 5 over here, and the value of C as 9 over here. Now what is the value of G and L given to us? The value of G was maximum of ABC and value of L given to us as minimum of ABC. So maximum of ABC will become what? The maximum value is 9 over here and the minimum value is 5 over here, and G minus L will be becoming 4 over here. So the first answer will be the right answer for this one. Now let's concentrate upon the value of A and B. Guys, they gave me A is greater than 6. Yeah, so A has been achieved by me as greater than 6. And they are asking A minus B. So can you see A minus B is becoming 5. 7 minus 5, that is 2 over here. So we'll be going to get the option D also as the right option. It's a multiple correct choice question. So option A and option D will be the right answer for this question. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, my dear students.